Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the Melc 4 or Learning Activity Sheet Melc 4 of Quarter 2, and this is all about translating English phrases to mathematical phrases and English sentences to mathematical sentences and vice versa. Okay, so let's have first the background information for learners. So let me just read it to you. Algebra makes use of symbols and expressions so that English or verbal phrases and sentences can be translated into mathematical phrases and sentences and vice versa. Okay, so buot silingon class, when we deal with algebraic expressions, so we use different kinds of symbols. So when you were in elementary, since you didn't use yet the symbol or the variable na symbol, so you use shapes to represent the missing number. Okay, so now that you are already in junior high school, we don't use shapes anymore as the symbol for missing terms or missing numbers. Instead, we use letters. Okay, so here, algebraic expression is a group of terms separated by a plus or minus sign. So this term is either a constant or number, or variable, letter, or a combination of constant and variables multiplied together. Okay, so magsiling kita algebraic expression. This is group of terms na nga gina-separate sila sang symbol or operation ng plus or minus. Of course, you know that signs already. Okay, so may ara kita ginagamit ka terms. Ano ni siya? This terms is either a constant, basta constant, number na siya, or a variable which is letter. So, or pwede combine sila nga duwa. And kung i-combine ta ang number kag ang letter or ang constant kag ang variables, dapat multiplied na sila kung tupan sila. Ang ilang operation is multiplied. Okay? So, here. The chart below shows some of the words used to indicate the mathematical operations or relations. So, we have here the symbols ng aton gamiton. So, first we have this symbol. Of course, you are familiar with this. So, this means addition plus increased by. Kaya nagdugang ka mo, when we talk about addition, gadugang kita. Added to the sum of more than. So, plus na siya nga symbol ang ginagamit nila. So, here, this one, so of course you know this, it is subtraction. Pwede man minus or minus. Decreased by, ikuhin by, so decrease no book. Subtracted from, fewer, jutay, or fewer than, less than, diminished by, or this is the other term of decrease, of the word decrease, and then the difference of, so symbol na sa, meaning na siya sa ini nga symbol, which is we all know nga, subtraction na siya, or minus nga sign. So here we have x, dot, and open and close parentheses. So this means multiplication times multiplied by the product of, or wala na nadiwa, the product of na, wala na ni siyang of. Okay, next. Here, ang slash naman, and this symbol, of course, we all know this, which is division, divided by ratio of, the quotient of, per. And this one, equals, is equal to, is. This symbol means is less than. This one is greater than. Another is, kay may ara na siya ulit sa dalom. So this is less than or equal to, or is at most. Next, may kurit man sa dalom na greater than. So this is greater than or equal to, or is at least. And the last one we have, may slash ang equal sign. So this means is not equal to. Okay? Next. Okay, so look closely at these phrases using the four operations. So each phrase tells you to operate on two numbers. Look for the words of and to find the numbers. So the numbers after of is written first. Okay, so let's have this. So here, the sum of A and B means, okay, we are talking about sum. So based on the symbols I have given you a while ago, diba? So here, diba, plus, wait lang, Arsha, diba? Sum is cross symbol, so addition na siya. So that is why A plus B. So another, the difference of A and B. So difference meaning subtraction or minus. So A minus B in symbol. So the product of A and B means, diba, kung nadumduman yung kanina, ang product we can use X, dot, and open and close parenthesis. So multiplication times multiplied by the product of or of. Okay, so here the product of A and B, that means A times B or tupad sila. Kay algebraic expression mo. So once ang variables gani tupad, that means ang ilang operation is multiplication. Not only variables ha, but constant. Ang numbers bala, mention ko, kung tupad ang number kag ang letter, katuparay sila una ang number, that is product, ang ilang operation. Next, the quotient of A and B. So quotient means division. So that means in symbol, mathematical symbol A divided by B or A over B, fractional form or ratio nga form. So division na sa. Okay. Okay, so let's have examples. So let me give you this table. We have English phrase, English sentence, mathematical phrase, and mathematical sentence. So magsiling kita English phrase. Anong difference nila sa English sentence? So ang English phrase, wala siya sang symbol or wala siya sang word nga may equality or inequality. While ang English sentence naman, mayara siya yung word nga equality or mayara siya namin ko bala may is or inequalities. Ari bala kas baliktad sa symbol ha. Kabudlay mo na hindi nyo makita. Tapos na may makita nyo symbol. So ari siya ang English phrase asa lang di ang symbol niya sa division. Pero ang English sentence tanan. Okay, tanan yung symbol dala niya. Okay, so amo na siya ang akong niya buot symbol. Okay, so baliktad eh. So let's have the English phrase. So 8 added to 3 times a number n. So nantawon ta ang aton niya ang operation. So ang operation di nga word is added. So added means ang symbol nga gamiton ta is cross symbol, which is the symbol for addition. So 8 added to 3 times a number. So we have to understand. So let me explain it in vernacular words. So both silingon, ang 8 gindugang sa tatlo ka beses nga number n. So 3 times a number. So ang word daan nga times, that is multiplication. So meaning ulihi ang 8. Kay 8 added to 3 times a number n. So si 8 kindugang lang sa 3 times a number n. So therefore ang aton yung mathematical phrase is 3n plus 8. So 3n means 3 times a number. Kay multiplication, so pwede na siya tupad. Tuparon ang number kag ang letter or ang constant kag ang variable. So that means multiplication. So therefore ang aton yung mathematical phrase is 3n plus 8. Okay, next. English phrase, the difference of x and 4. So very easy difference sa aton yung operation of word. So this means subtraction. So therefore we have x minus 4. So kay wala man di sa kung sino mauna kung ang letter or ang number nga after sang of siya ginapirmi ang una. So, the difference of x and 4. So, ginmention ko na hangin na sa inyo. So, x minus 4. Next, the product of a number y and 3. Product, multiplication. So, ang symbol tada is either x, point, or dot, and open and close parenthesis. So, but we have to understand the phrase. So, the product of a number y and 3. So, multiplication sang y kag 3 increased by 5 in tugangan sang 5. So, we have here mathematical phrase is y times 3, pwede na siya, plus 5, or we can say the product of a number y and 3, that is 3y. Basta once nga hindi na tayo magamit sa multiplication na operation, kung tuparang tayo ang constant kag ang letter or ang variable, dapat unamit kan misulat ang constant. Okay, so that means, or that is 3y plus 5 increased by 5. Okay? So now, let's have English sentence. So magsiling naman kita English sentence class. Okay, wait lang. So, ang English sentence, may ara na siya symbol na equals or inequalities. So, here, 2/3 of a number n is 10. So, 2/3, so that is mathematical sentence 2 over 3. Tapos, n, 2/3 of a number n. So, multiplication sa ito. 2/3 n is 10. So, that is, ang is equal, then 10. Okay, next. The difference of a number and 4 is greater than 6. So, difference minus, so the difference of a number n, or a number, and 4. So, it doesn't, or ang number d, wala na mention. So, therefore, we can write any letter na gusto natin. So, here, we use any variable. So, n gamit. So, n minus 4 is greater than 6. So, greater than 6. So, pag gusto na kamo kung anong gamitin yung letter D. And, lastly, the product of a number and 2. So, product of a number and 2 is less than or equal to 2 more than a number. So, we have here, wala man na mention ang number or ang letter nga gamiton. So, we can use any letter. So, here ang gingamit is x. So, the product of a number and 2, so that is 2x, then is less than or equal to, adding a symbol, to 2 more than a number. So, more than, 2 more than a number, so addition. So, we can have x plus 2, or pwede man, sakto na, x plus 2. So, ating mathematical phrase is 2x is less than or equal to x plus 2. Based sa atin nga English sentence. Okay, so kamay po nga naintindihan. So this time, we are going to proceed with exercise 1. So for letter A, give the correct English or verbal phrase or sentence of the given mathematical expression. So numbers 1 to 5 na siya. So all you need to do is answer only, I think. No need to copy anything, answer only. So, isulat niyo ang English or verbal phrase, so sentence, in the form of a sentence or sentence. Next, for letter B, translate the given English phrase or sentences to mathematical phrase. Ari naman, mathematical symbol naman. So, dili answer only gyapon. Okay? Next, for, exercise 2. Match the given. Okay, so letter only. No need to write anything. So, i-match nyo lang. So, letter na ang isulat. Diri sa letter B, translate the following verbal phrase. Okay, so answer only man siya gyapon. Okay, so mathematical phrase na diri letter lang. Any SIO sa mathematical phrase. Okay, so no need to answer kay questions and also reflection. Wala na hindi na pag-answeran. Okay, so I hope na hangpan ninyo ang ating discussion today and please take time to watch it. Thank you. That's all. Bye.